In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a pattern onto the wheel of your pizza cutter. So the first thing you need to do is in the search bar, type in TechSoft. And what will appear is TechSoft 2D Design. This might be on your home screen as well on your desktop. We're going to double click that. And then we're going to open it like so. So the first thing we want to do is we want to measure the actual pizza cutter blade, and all of these will be the same size. So the size of this is 75 millimeters in diameter. Now with the circle tool, which can be found over here, we're going to click it. We're going to left click on one of our dots on our page, and then we're going to let go of the mouse. Now using the right arrow keys, we are going to press to the right, and what you'll notice is your circle gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Now if you look at the bottom left of the screen, it will say something called rel, R-E-L. As I click, that rel is constantly increasing. At the minute my circle is 25 millimeters radius. Now 75 divided by 2 is 37.5, so I'm going to go across and I'm going to make my circle about 38 because I can't do 0.5, but that's half a millimeter anyway, so it's not much difference. So when I've got to 38, I'm going to click enter on my keyboard, and what you'll end up with is a circle that looks like this. Now I want to add a pattern into the center of this circle. So using Google, you can type in whatever pattern you wish. I've decided to type in swirl circle pattern. I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to right click it, click copy image. I am then going to right click on 2D TechSoft and I'm going to paste it here. Now what you'll notice is that the picture is a lot bigger, so we need to shrink it down. So this yellow box here allows us to move it around, and these yellow boxes allow us to shrink it or flip it. So I'm going to drag from the corner like so, and I'm going to make it roughly the same size as the circle, a bit more that side as well. Perfect. Now at the minute you'll notice there is a white box around it. We need to get rid of that so that the laser cutter can understand it, because at the minute that would just print as a black box. Now to convert it into something that the laser cutter understands, we're going to go to vectorize, which is over in the left. I'll click that and I will click my image. I will then click monochrome and I will adjust the luminance until the point where I can just about see it, so it's not too dark, it's just clear enough like so, and I will click OK and OK again. And then what you'll notice is that it looks something like that. I'm going to zoom out again. And what I want to do now is I want to position this inside the center of my circle, and I'm just going to adjust the sizing so that it looks like that. I'm happy with that. So the hole for the nut and bolt will go in the center, which I can drill, and then we've got the pattern that is going to go on the side. Now at the minute this would engrave the pattern, whereas this would also engrave the pattern, and what we want it to do is we want it to cut out. So I'm going to select the outside of my circle. I'm going to go to where it says line col. I'm going to click the col, turn it to red, and I'm going to click OK. And what you end up with is a perfect circle wheel with a pattern on it.